Beautiful, isn't it? If you like that, you're gonna love this! A festive reprise! Don't even think about getting in the way next time. Although, if you wanted to make yourself more useful, you could try wearing something a little more fun and festive, or pretend to be a ghost to entertain the kids. You know, liven up the atmosphere. I can't just...
Yoimiya, they've already run off.
Huh? Hey! I wasn't done talking!
Alright. I say,
Hey guys, it's Drake here. Want free V-Bucks? Give me your credit card information and your street address, and your social security number, and the security code on the back of the card. Also, what are your parents' names? What is your zip code? When are you home alone? How old are you? How do you feel about white vans? How do you feel about being trapped in a basement for 12 hours?
Papoy? Baka na papoy? No. Papoy. Ah! Papoy!
Stop fucking crying, bitch! Where? I don't wanna fucking hear it!